Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a colorful fountain experiment. Okay, so first, I've already put 3/4 of water into this. I filled it with 3/4. I filled it 3/4 all of the way, and then I put 10 drops of dish soap in it. So now I'm going to put 5 grams of baking soda. So this is my measuring spoon, and I'm going to put it into the 5-gram one. There. Now we're going to put it in here. Ooh. Okay. I got scared. Okay. Now we're gonna put 10. Yeah. Now we're gonna put citric acid into our 30 grams of water. I think it's 30 grams. But no, it's 30 milliliters. Yeah, 30 milliliters of water. And now we're going to put, we're going to put 2 of these, like of the 5-gram ones. I'm using the same one. Ooh. That's a lot of citric acid. Okay. It's okay. Okay, we're gonna put it back in the bottle after this. Okay, so 1. And, okay, actually, you know what? We're gonna use the one off the plate. Okay, there. I knew there was still some left. Okay. Okay, that's another one in here. Okay, we're going to put it in here. Oh, by the way, I put 10 drops of food coloring in this. And now it should, oh my god, it's so cool. Wait, let me touch it. Okay, that was really cool. All right, have a great day, guys. Bye.